Okay, I'm going to go through and show you guys all about present indicative tense. It's the very first present tense. It's basically just what you use to say what's happening right now or what you do in general. It is a very straightforward, basic first tense that you ever learn. It's what we start with in Spanish 1. Okay? So if you're not sure how verbs work, I recommend checking this link right here, how verbs work. Just a quick rundown. You basically have 3 endings: AR verbs, ER verbs, and IR verbs. AR verbs are always usually together, and ER and IR verbs are usually their own group as far as how to conjugate them. With verbs, you have the endings. You take that ending off and you put a new ending on based on who's doing the action, right? So for me, if I want to say I do something for regular present tense, all you do is you take the AR off and you add an O, okay? So like yo hablo, that's an AR verb. So yo hablo, tú hablas, él habla, ella habla, usted habla, nosotros hablamos, vosotros habláis, ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan, okay? So again, it's regular present tense. AR verbs are always going to have their set of endings, and ER and IR verbs are going to be different. So ER and IR verbs, yo hablo, or yo, let's see, pick an ER verb like comer, to eat. Yo como, tú comes, él, ella, usted come. You'll notice that él, ella, and usted, it's he, she, or you formally. Those are all going to have the same ending for your verb. The verbs are going to be the same way for those. Okay? So again, here's some examples like like hablar, to speak, I just went over that one. Comer, to eat, I went over that one. Escribir, that's an IR verb. You can see the ending is different. Again, that works just like the ER verbs. So yo escribo, tú escribes, él, ella, usted escribe, escribimos for nosotros. Vosotros escribís, ellos, ellas, ustedes escriben. You'll notice that vosotros is a little bit different for the ER and IR verbs, but that's really the only difference between the two in present tense. If you think you got it, go ahead and click on the practice right here and just see how you do. It gives you a little bit of practice. If you forget how to do accent marks and stuff, they're down here. And just see how that goes.